Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best gear on the market. Today, we're bringing you the ultimate solution for aquarium filtration. If you're running a Fluval FX series canister filter, especially the FX6, then you're going to want to stick around. We're taking a close look at what we believe is the best FX6 filter replacement kit available right now. The Threlaco 28-piece compatible replacement filter media kit. What sets this kit apart is its comprehensive coverage. You're not just getting a few pads and calling it a day. This is a full filtration overhaul for your FX2, fx4, fx5, or FX6 filter. In the box, you'll find a total of 56 components thoughtfully bundled together. That includes 6 carbon foam pads for chemical filtration, 4 BioSponge Plus pads that tackle biological filtration, and 6 foam blocks for mechanical filtration. You also get 6 water polishing pads for that crystal clear finish, and 6 quick clear pads that work fast to eliminate murkiness. What's even more impressive is the addition of 18 dedicated remover pads, and these aren't generic. Each pad is specifically designed to target nitrite, phosphate, and ammonia, 3 of the most common and dangerous threats to a balanced aquarium. This kind of precision filtering is what gives your tank long-term stability, whether you're dealing with a freshwater or saltwater setup. But Threlaco didn't stop at just the pads. The kit also includes 2 media bags for easy handling, 4 bags of biological media totaling 500 grams, and even 2 microfiber towels for cleaning up during maintenance. They've also added 2 packets of silicone lubricant. This is a smart move, because it helps maintain your motor seals, O-rings, and priming parts. That means smoother operation, reduced wear and tear, and better sealing to prevent leaks. Swapping out the media is effortless. Just unplug your filter, open the canister, and replace the components as needed. And thanks to the included lubricant, you can also take a minute to service the impeller, inlet valve stem, and hoses. This not only helps maintain strong water flow but also reduces clogging and maximizes filtration efficiency over time. What makes this kit a standout product is its versatility. Whether your tank is a saltwater reef, a planted freshwater ecosystem, or a high bioload cichlid tank, this kit adapts to your needs. It's all about giving you peace of mind, knowing your aquarium water is consistently clear, odor-free, and free of harmful substances that can stress your aquatic life. So if you're looking for a reliable, complete, and well-thought-out filtration kit that keeps your Fluval FX filter running at peak performance, the Threlaco 28-piece replacement filter media kit is hands down the best FX6 filter kit you can get right now. It's comprehensive, convenient, and built to deliver top-tier water quality for your aquatic ecosystem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the world of top-rated products. This has been Product Critique. See you in the next review.